Apple's next major launch event is expected to arrive in about a month and a half, and one of the most anticipated products is the Apple Watch Ultra 4. As Apple's premium smartwatch, the Ultra lineup has become popular among users who want rugged durability, long battery life, and advanced fitness features. With several leaks and rumors already circulating, here's everything we know so far about Apple's upcoming flagship smartwatch. The Apple Watch Ultra journey began in 2022 with the original Apple Watch Ultra. It introduced the customizable action button, a stronger titanium design, a larger display, and significantly improved battery life compared to standard Apple Watch models. These upgrades quickly made it the preferred choice for outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and users who wanted a more durable Apple Watch. In 2023, Apple introduced the Apple Watch Ultra 2 with a faster processor, a brighter display, and several internal improvements. Later, Apple refreshed the lineup with a new titanium finish and additional band options. In 2025, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 reportedly expanded its capabilities with features such as 5G connectivity, emergency satellite communication, roadside assistance support, and the S10 chip, making it an even more capable smartwatch. Now attention has shifted to the Apple Watch Ultra 4. Current reports suggest Apple may slightly redesign the watch, making it around 10 to 15% thinner while maintaining its rugged appearance. Although the overall design could look familiar, the internal layout is expected to be completely redesigned to improve space efficiency and allow for larger components inside. One of the biggest advantages of this redesigned interior could be a larger battery. While users shouldn't expect battery life comparable to dedicated adventure watches, Apple may still deliver a noticeable improvement. Estimates suggest around 2 days of heavy usage, or up to 3 to 3.5 days with moderate daily use, making it the longest-lasting Apple Watch yet. Performance is also expected to improve with Apple's next-generation S11 or possibly S12 chip. Combined with a more power-efficient display, the Ultra 4 could offer better speed while consuming less energy. Apple is reportedly focusing heavily on efficiency rather than dramatic performance gains, helping extend battery life without increasing the overall size of the watch. Health and fitness features are also expected to receive attention. While no major new sensors have been widely reported, existing sensors may be redesigned for improved accuracy and reliability. Apple is believed to be refining its sensor technology to deliver more precise health tracking while improving manufacturing efficiency for future models. Another interesting rumor involves the possible addition of Touch ID. If Apple includes a fingerprint sensor, users could authenticate Apple Pay and other secure actions more safely than with the current double-tap confirmation system. Although this feature remains uncertain and could still be canceled before launch, it would represent one of the biggest usability improvements for the Apple Watch lineup. Regarding availability, industry expectations point to Apple's annual September event, likely taking place during the second week of September 2026. If Apple follows its usual schedule, pre-orders could begin shortly after the announcement, with retail availability arriving approximately 1 week later. Pricing is also expected to increase, with many analysts predicting the Apple Watch Ultra 4 could start around $899, roughly $100 higher than the previous generation. Overall, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 appears to focus on refinement rather than a complete redesign. A thinner body, improved battery life, a more efficient chipset, upgraded sensors, and the possibility of Touch ID make it one of Apple's most exciting wearable upgrades in recent years. While nothing is official until Apple makes its announcement, current leaks suggest the Ultra 4 could become the most capable Apple Watch ever released.